There's a number of ways to thwart a robbery, but none quite as flashy as this one. A man that has robbed over a dozen stores finally picks on the wrong clerk who isn't easily intimidated. In case you didn't notice, that was a samurai sword. Meanwhile, next time you think there's something that you're incapable of doing, just watch this video.
It's all here on this security video. This man attempts to pass off a suspicious $50 bill at this commercial drive store on Saturday. When the clerk won't take it, he charges.
He said, give my money back, and I said, no, I'm going to call the police and let the police come in there and you can have it. And he goes, I'm going to rob you. So he comes behind the counter area, tries to go open my cupboards up and everything.
Larry Skopnik was in the store too, but the man may not have thought twice about it. Skopnik has been in a wheelchair since an ATV accident 10 years ago.
Right at the moment that he was going in and getting physical with her, and I figured that was unacceptable. All I really want to do is just end the situation.
On the video, Skopnik rolls towards the counter and grabs the would-be thief by the throat. The pair wrestle, Larry holding the man by the torso until both of them go to the ground.
Come at me with whatever you got, like I'm pretty sure I can defend myself, but what I'm saying is her not getting hurt was what the important thing was.
Other store patrons held the man until the police arrived several minutes later. Officers arrested him and took him away.
Just because I'm in a chair doesn't mean I can't stand up and do what's right, even though I can't stand up. It's all about doing the right thing.
He's my hero.
Larry is modest. He doesn't want to be called a hero, but that's what people in this store are calling him today.